喷的，然后他
Hey, let's take a selfie. Goodbye, house. Goodbye, home sweet home.
bye. No, I will stay here.
Okay, so we are currently at the 17 miles drive at the Pepper Beach and see what we just find. The China Rock. I just think it's a good name, so we are all off and probably gonna take some picture with that sun over there. We're enjoying the Pebble Beach and 17 mile drive today, and Pebble Beach, this name sort of ring the bell of my memory somewhere in my head. Isn't there like a university here is like specialist and really good on like hotel management, all that stuff? Golf cart photo spot. We have already processed the half of our road trip, and bad news, the road is fucking closed and we have to back up all the way to where we started this morning. Bloody fucking hell. The good news, okay, so we are here currently. The road is closed from here to somewhere down there. And I thought that we have to back like all the way to like probably somewhere in the kitchen section. So it turned out it's not really like that bad. All we need to do is we just need to do 9 miles back to this point and go all the way through here, which is probably gonna be 60 miles to 101 and estimated to be 1.5 hours. And then we get reconnected to the 101. So this is something that I have never seen in my life before, and this is absolutely fucking stunning. And by what I mean by that, yeah, they are kind of lucky. They kind of live in the heaven. They to be able to see this all day long. But this is literally the first time ever in my lifetime that I'd ever be able to see something I've seen like this, which is just absolutely ridiculous. And I show you guys what you mean by pictures. The picture is probably gonna be a little bit more clear. These kind of moments make it worth to come to this place, drive for nuts kind of hours. So just arrived to Santa Barbara and just checked into the hotel called Spyglass. It looks pretty decent. They even have the sea view.
that I'm gonna take you guys to explore just in 1 second. But first, let's order some proper meal because I'm starving.